Viewers, you are watching Part 3. Remember when I said the Pakistan-Saudi deal had us approval? At that time, many big analysts were in shock. Today, everyone is saying same thing. Us permission. The reasons I gave to reasons. First, America wants to pull its troops out of the Middle East because Israel is now strong enough. Second, America wants freedom from the Jewish lobby. But why this sudden shift? There is a bigger game behind it.
I'm so excited, I just can't hide it.
America now turned fully towards China? I answer, is it no? In the beginning, Trump thought he could make a deal with Putin. He was even ready to give back some occupied areas. But Putin never came under control. Europe got scared. Now America faces four enemies: Russia, China, India, Europe. America believed Russia would sink in Ukraine, but India secretly made a hole in the bottom of the ship by trading with Moscow. China stood behind Russia. Europe kept buying Russian oil. America realized everyone is playing him. Pakistan's return. That is why America looked again at Pakistan, its old partner. Through Pakistan, it can watch the Middle East and quietly sideline China. Even China accepted this game. You can see it in TikTok's new soft moves. Now America's main targets are Russia and India. It will keep giving weapons to Ukraine, telling Zelensky to go ahead. Europe will pay. India will feel the heat for its double policy. This way, Trump will lead his people towards a great America while keeping direct fight with China on hold. Pakistan remains a silent key player in this global game.